Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5207P. It's a 2019 Chevy 3/4 ton crew cab with 197 for K. Nice clean truck. It's got brand new tires on it. It's also got these nice wheel-to-wheel running boards. Truck itself is in good shape. The door panels look good. Door sills, seats, everything's really nicely looked after. The back, we've got this awesome fiberglass topper. It's got shelving, top and bottom here. Up top, weather guard ladder rack, two extension ladders and one step ladder up top. Around the back, we do have a hitch as well as backup cam. And this is a 6-liter gas, so it's big enough to lug around some decent sized pieces of equipment, little skid steers, scissor lifts, anything you might be taking to and from the job site. This one's got a cargo bed slide in the back of it. Pull out all your tools and materials and everything just come right out to you. So it's nice and handy to have. Locks in place. On the driver's side, again, shelving here, little slat wall up top for movable bins if need be. Really nice topper. Up front, we've got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, Bluetooth, 4x4 on the fly, integrated trailer brake. There's a flip-up center console for an extra passenger. So plenty of room in here, plenty of room in the topper. Trucks like this work great for anybody that's doing any sort of rural service work. Having the 4-wheel drive 3/4 ton to bomb up and down good roads is definitely fantastic to have, whether you're plumbing and heating company, electrical contracting company, or general contracting company. Nice clean truck like this would be a great addition to your fleet. Again, stock number 5207, 2019 Chevy 3/4 ton.